We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information for public in assigned areas. This is LHHS TV. We will continue to serve the Richardson area. If you are not in this local area, the emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming operations have been discontinued during this emergency. This is LHHS TV. This station will continue to furnishing news and information and instructions for the Richardson area. If you are not in the Richardson area, you should tune in to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the broadcast station or cable. Please stand by for a message from the President of the United States.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
Ladies and gentlemen, the following message is about to give you right now is being given authorization at the release of the President, the United States government, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. Our world is coming to an end as we know it. At approximately 11 p.m. Eastern Time, there are many reports of the existence of a black hole in our solar system. It has been confirmed that all life will perish on Earth with this new event. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode if you want to. I have selected a verse from the Bible to be played over the emergency alert. Romans 8:12. Romans 8:12. Romans 8:12. Therefore, brothers and sisters, we have an obligation, but it is not to the flesh to live according to it. For you are not for if you live according to the flesh, you will die. But if the Spirit, you can put death in the misdeeds of the body, you will live. This station will sign off for the last time with our national anthem. May God bless you all, and remember, we're all doomed.
This concludes our message of the emergency alert system. However, this is the end. We will play the national anthem on all stations for one last time. May God bless you all.